I needed one of these. So this is the Ultra Racing W brace for the 350Z. Normally they come in white. This is obviously a used one, but I didn't really want to buy a brand new one because the car is quite low now. It's just straight away, it's just going to be scraping this, going over speed bumps anyway. So managed to get hold of a used one, and that's why I like car community. I'm happy with the purchase. New toys. I'm going to slip it on. The plastic covers underneath, I'm going to have to pull them off and find a way of putting new plastic covers on there, I think. Well, to be honest with you, I might replace the, I think these are the kidney brackets, but I'm quite worried that more things might break. So at the moment, all what it's doing is not holding on the plastic cover. So that, ow, so that is the W brace on a 350Z. Rusty as hell. Break it off. Nice and safe. So you can see it's cracked. Ow, pinky. There's cracks there as well. I'll bet that's going on video. So that's the common W brace on the 350Z. That's just literally broke off from my hand. That's cracked there. That's bleeding there. Absolute crap. I wonder if I can bend it.